Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for November 20th, 2010. So, a couple of levels to really look out for in the coming week or weeks. The first thing is this 50-day moving average, and also this price level here, around the 11 or 117.50, simply because that was the previous low, and also because the market has always maintained itself above this 50-day moving average since the beginning of the rally. So any breach of this 50-day and as well as this price level will tell us that there's probably a bigger pullback that's going to happen, especially now that you have lower lows and lower highs. Kind of similar to what happened here, where we maintain above the 20 and the 50. As soon as the 20 broke and as soon as the 50 broke, then we went in for a deeper correction. So I would expect a similar pattern to appear if this 50-day moving average is broken. Also, the other thing is that we also broke underneath this trend line here uh, that held as pretty strong support for this entire rally. And you can see usually what happens is when support is broken, it usually kind of rebounds and gets retested as resistance. So if there's a failed resistance here, or at least if there's a failed breakout here, then there's a pretty strong level of test of resistance here, and that actually might be a good entry into a short position as long as there's a reversal pattern, a reversal candlestick pattern, such as a bearish engulf, a shooting star, a doji, whatever the case is, simply because you have a easier defined risk. If you went short here based on a failure to break above the trend line, once it does break above it, you can easily get out. Okay, so that I would look for some type of a reversal candlestick pattern, so I can start dabbling into some shorts. But as I mentioned, if we have a clear break and the market recaptures back above this trend line, then we will continue to go long. But overall, I expect pretty much a lot of choppiness for this market because we are in correction mode. The market, I would say, more or less hit a top here, and any type of correction pattern can occur. It can go form a sideways consolidation, a flat pattern, or it can even do a bigger price pullback. So trying to figure out what type of correction pattern is almost useless because it can take so many forms and shapes. But the main thing is just watch for those levels, either a break of this 50-day or a failure to break above the trend line. Could be a little more bearish than necessary.